Joshua Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is the 2019 Honda Civic LX. You will have LED daytime running lights. The vehicle comes with all-weather floor mats in the front and the back, as well as an all-weather cargo tray. This vehicle does come with the Honda Sensing Suite, which includes the collision mitigating braking system, road departure mitigation, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist. You'll also have steering wheel controls to be able to answer your phone calls, control your music volume, and cycle through various sources. You will be able to Bluetooth your phone up or an audio device. You'll also be able to have a USB. You have AM and FM radio. You will have the USB port from down here, as well as a power port on the other side. You'll have electronic parking brake, brake hold, and an econ mode for fuel efficient driving. Capless fuel filler. The vehicle does feature a backup camera with 3 different views. All the original carpeted mats, and underneath the all-weather cargo tray, you will have the spare tire and tool set. You'll also have the fold-down seats in case you need to have anything go through. This is the 2019 Honda Civic LX here at Sam Boswell Honda. My name is Josh Powell. Please give me a call at 334-417-0406.